In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notebooklm for work projects. This is a practical way to organize project materials, ask focused questions, and quickly produce useful outputs all in one place. First, open your web browser and go to the Notebooklm website. Once you are on the main dashboard, take a moment to orient yourself. You will be working from a single notebook where your project sources and your conversations stay connected, which helps you stay consistent as the project evolves. Next, create a new workspace by clicking the plus option labeled Create New on the dashboard. This gives you a fresh notebook dedicated to one work project. A helpful tip is to keep one notebook per project or client topic, so your sources and answers do not get mixed across different initiatives. After that, upload your sources. In the pop-up window, select the materials you want Notebooklm to use. This can include PDF documents, YouTube links, or files from your cloud drive. As you add them, they will populate the source panel on the left side of the screen. This panel becomes your project library. For best results, choose sources that you would normally rely on for decisions, like requirements documents, meeting notes, research reports, training videos, or internal guidelines. If your sources are lengthy, do not worry. Notebooklm is designed to work with large reference material as long as it is provided up front. Once your sources are loaded, move to the chat panel in the center. Type a clear question about your project, such as summarizing a document, extracting key points, identifying risks, or comparing information across sources. The responses include clickable citations, which means you can verify where each claim came from. This is especially useful for work projects, because you can quickly confirm details before sharing them with your team. When you are ready to create deliverables, use the Studio panel on the right. Click Audio Overview, Slide Deck, or Video Overview to generate instant outputs based on your sources and your context. This can save time when you need a quick briefing, a presentation draft, or an executive summary format. Finally, whenever you receive a helpful response, click Save to Note on that answer. This builds a running set of approved takeaways you can reuse later for status updates, documentation, or planning. That covers everything you need to know.